This will be a really short video on just a quick solving strategy with exponentials. There are lots of ways you could proceed and solve this, but I think the easiest way is the old algebra trick that it's best to get things that are alike on the same side. So I'm going to get the two exponential things on one side and the two non-exponential things on the other side. So I'm going to start by dividing both sides by 2 to the x. That. But then I'm also going to divide both sides by 8. So what I end up with is 2 to the x canceling on the right and 8 canceling out on the left. So now I have 3 to the x over 2 to the x equals 6/8, which I could reduce, of course, to 3/4, but even more important, I can rewrite the left side as 3/2 to the x power. And now it looks just like any other exponential equation where you've got a number to the x equals a number. So x will be equal to the natural log, or log, of 3/4 divided by the natural log of 3/2. And that's it. You could also, of course, expand it out, have the natural log of 3 minus the natural log of 4 divided by the natural log of 3 minus the natural log of 2. Of course, that's just using the log properties that when you're dividing the expression, you can expand it to be two logs that are being subtracted. Same thing here. Going back to the beginning, there are other ways you could have handled this. You could have rewritten this, and done logs right away. You could have said, well, it's the log of 8 multiplied by 3 to the x equals the log of 6 multiplied by 2 to the x. You could have expanded it, natural log of 8 plus the natural log of 3 to the x equals the natural log of 6 plus the natural log of 2 to the x. And then you could have done the same type of thing where you try and get the like terms on the same side, and then maybe drop the exponent out front to be a coefficient of the log. You would have gotten the same answer, but I think this first strategy we had was the fastest.